Today we'll be speaking with Alfred Rochlis, the Managing Director of ASSYX, to explore how DuroBOARD can add value to the South African market by improving efficiency and product quality in the precast concrete industry. Alfred, it's great to have you here. Thank you for being with us. To kick things off,
Thank you.
Could you tell us a bit about your role at ASSYX and how long have you been with the company?
Yes, I'm managing partner at ASSYX, and I joined the company 2007. So 9 months after the company has started first production of the first boards. But I was together with the company already when the founding process of the company has started. So I worked as an advisor to the founder of the company, Manfred Kessler, who is still partner, but who is not longer active in the company. So I am running the company as a managing director.
So now that we've got some context, let's get into the details and see what makes DuroBOARD stand out.
Okay, paving blocks, kerbs, or masonry blocks, they are mass products. So, and it's crucial that you produce them block by block in the same quality. And that's what we can guarantee with our product, because it's very homogeneous. Each board is like the other board, and all over the area of each board, you have the same very high vibration transmission. So you will find one setup, and then you will run the boards for years, for many years to come, without changing the setup and with producing always the same fine quality at a minimum loss rates. And this is what our customers need. Yes, the main point is the loss production. So maybe you have 10-20% of loss. You need a lot of cement. You need even more cement you would need with a high quality board. And that is what we want to give our partner, a very sustainable and cost efficient solution. So with ASSYX DuroBOARD, you can reduce your loss production to a very small minimum. Sometimes you can produce even 100% good production. And you can do that because of the very good and high vibration transmission with the minimum amount of cement. We have sold our first boards in 2006, in summer 2006. And these boards, it was one customer running 15,000 boards. They are still using the boards. So this year they run the boards for 19 years already, which is a very long lifetime. And the most important thing is they run the boards 19 years at a very good performance. They had, compared to the old softwood pellets, cement reduction of more than 20%, and they still produce at a very low loss rate. So they earned the money for the boards, I would say, 2 or 3 times. So you have 2 benefits. You have not only the benefit that you save money because you can use the boards a very long time and don't need to replace them short term. You have the other benefit that from the very first day, you start to save money compared to other products because you produce at the lowest possible cost rate. We have a compound product, as you mentioned before. It has a wooden core, which is made of LVL plywood. This makes sure that the board is very homogeneous, and we have a coating of polyurethane plastic material that is developed by the Bayer company and that we use exclusively. And this makes sure that the board is very long lasting and that it is very resistant against mechanical but also environmental impact, like water, like sun, like cold temperature, whatever you can imagine, even like chemicals. So it's very chemically resistant. So, and this makes the boards long lasting, but sometimes it happens that you have a transportation stop or whatever, you have a damaged board, and then we can give you in hand a repair set that you can make the repair on site. And for customers more close to our company, they can even send us the board, so we make the repair here in our factory. We have automated machinery to do that. Well, okay, you know, Quadra is a high-quality machine manufacturer, and you can do a lot with a Quadra machine. You have many, many options. But responsible for the quality of a concrete block is not only the machine, it's also the production pallet. So we expect that 40% of the quality of the concrete blocks is influenced by the production pallet. So if you have a Quadra machine, which gives you many, many options, but you have a production pallet that has only a low quality, you cannot get out of this Quadra machine all you would be able to get out with a high-performance production pallet.
Alfred, that concludes our interview. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for all the information. Thank you for teaching us so much about particularly ASSYX DuroBOARD. On behalf of Quadra South Africa, we would like to wish you and ASSYX the very best for 2025. And we would like to encourage you to keep up the good work. It is really amazing. And we look forward to seeing some of your production boards in South Africa, if not more of your production boards in South Africa soon.